Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to update software update of your ad glance on mobile phones in Realme devices. Before proceeding in this video, if you like this video then subscribe to our YouTube channel and like the video for more videos. So let's start. Firstly, you have to just go to the settings option in your Realme device phones, and you have to just search, or you can just simply see there is a option home screen and lock screen. Just tap it and then scroll down. You can see glance for Realme devices. Click on it, you will see this interface, and you can just simply turn it on, and you can see there is a last content update. You can just tap on the update now, and it is updating content, and you can see it is updating and it is showing no update available. You, if next time there is another update, it will show up on here, and you can just simply update now, and it will definitely choose Wi-Fi or mobile network, and then it will automatically download it. I hope this video will help you. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and like the video for more videos. Thanks for watching.